What's up, guys? It's Jeremy Lou Photography. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We are doing another Lightroom edit for you guys. This one's going to be a very easy one because we're not going to touch skin. We're not going to touch details. We're going to do everything via this stuff right here. So we're focused on a VSCO edit today, and we're going to be using our palette system, our Magic Keyboard, and then our Wacom Medium tablet here. Everything is in the description below. You guys can check out all of these amazing manufacturers, this gear, really cool stuff. This is all I use for things. The palette gear is my most excited, precious thing ever because each button does something else. If you see my other videos, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Before we get into this, if you guys could please subscribe if you're new to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and comment below. It'll help me out tremendously. And anything you guys want to see or any questions you have, let me know. And I'm really quick on responding. So I'd love to see that there. So we're in Lightroom. We're in Lightroom 6, and we're going to be playing here. We're using a VSCO edit. This is from our VSCO film push and pull for Canon. And I've already played with this a little bit, so I know that I'm going to go to the Provia 400X 1+. I don't know how they name these things, but they name these things. So I'm going to hit that. So we're going to start with this. What I'm trying to do with this image, guys, is I'm trying to make this very, let's say Maxim style, very horror film, kind of fun, right? So very like old school 70s kind of thing. And that's kind of my goal. So I know the first thing I want to do is get that set up. That changes my tone curves, changes my shadows, whites, blacks, and it plays. And you guys, you know, if you kind of hover over here, you'll see the little changes that are happening right there as well. I'm going to add a little bit of fade here. And I want to change the fade just a touch. So it softens everything up. It adds a little bit more back shadow to everything. You can do that in the tone curves here as well. I'm just going to do that. Just let it be there. So now I have kind of my base edit going. I'm going to use a palette system here. And we're going to change our exposure. So I have one button marked for exposure here. So we're going to bring this down just a little. That's a little too cool for my taste. So I'm going to warm it up just a little bit. Get some regular skin tones going here. Bring this up. I want to play with my clarity. So I have a button for clarity. And I want this like crazy weird. Right? A little higher than normal. Let's brighten this baby up just a little bit. We're going to add a little vignetting here. So I have my midpoint and my main vignette on the side. I want to up my grain just a little. I want this a little bit more noisy here. And then all I want to do here is just up my sharpening just a little bit. I'm loving that so far. This is going to be really simple, guys, really easy. And all we're doing is using Lightroom, okay? So I know that it feels a little bit too like green to me. So we're going to just add a little bit of magenta here. And I have a button for magenta, so I'm slowly using my finger here just to kind of move it left and right just a touch. Ooh, look at that. I took my wedding ring off. I love this. So the concept of the shoot is I have an amazing friend here, Alora, who wanted to do a shoot. And basically we're just going to do these panda and bunny heads and then just create something out of it. So we did this amazing shoot for that. So that's kind of the end of this edit. Let me know what you guys think. I love that the skin is a little bit raw here. We're not going to touch anything. We have some detail. We have some cool mannequins here that are hanging out. And that's it. We are at 3 minutes for this edit, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and then give it a thumbs up to help the channel. Greatly appreciated. We're almost to 1K subscribers. So super excited. And I will talk to you guys later.